Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use AI Generative Erase in the Windows Photos app. If you're using Windows and you want to use AI Photo Erase, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open any photo from your PC or from your computer. So let's say I'm gonna open this one. It is opened in my Photos app, and I'm going to erase something from this. So you just have to simply click on this edit option. Just click on edit and just wait for this loading. Once the photo is loaded, you just have to click on this AI erase option. So once your cursor on it, you must see its name, which is erase. Just click on this, and from here you can customize your brush size. You can make it larger or smaller. So let's say I'm gonna make this 50%. Once you have done, now you just have to click on your photo and move your cursor to mark down the area or the thing which you want to remove or delete. So let's say I have colored this one or shaded this. Once I've done this release your button, it might take some moments, some almost 30 to 60 seconds. So you just have to wait for this. So once I've done, here you can see that the area of flower I was shaded has been successfully removed. So in this way, you can easily use AI generative sheet remove of your Windows Photos app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.